back to the vlog. We're in New York City. We just landed and we are trying to figure out what the next move is. I'll give you guys a room tour. There's not much to it, but honestly it's the cutest, coziest little room ever, and there's a city view, so what more do you need? We're staying at the Draper. It's a Hilton like Tapestry collection, but full-length mirror. We love that. Here she is. Some hooks there if you need to hang something. Really cute little bathroom. Love the lighting in here. That's really all you need. Again, shower. Oh, how cute. One thing I love is branding. So when they have good branding, what you think, babe? Cute, right? So big, huge, pretty sure it's king size bed in here. And then the view is so cute. So little room tour, here it is. Okay, I'll show you guys what our view is like out of our window. H&M, not sure where the Empire State Building is. I'm pretty sure that's it right there in the middle. Don't know what this building is, but I'm gonna find out. And yeah, that's it so far. So we're gonna get dressed and head to dinner. We're starving, so that is the little room tour. Really quick outfit change. Baby tee, Zara blazer, knit like Skims skirt, and then Sambas. What are you wearing? Same thing. Sig Jesus with a bomber jacket on top. So we're going to dinner. We're so hungry. Okay, bye. Good morning, New Yorkers. We are getting ready to go right now. Just kind of took a slow morning in the hotel room. It's Mike's birthday today, so I'm just gonna follow him around and see what we get into. So I think we're doing brunch first and then maybe a museum. He's kind of just feeling like whatever he feels like he wants to do today, that's what we're gonna do. So we're usually pretty flexible when it comes to our trips, especially ones that are like this that were really last minute. So yeah, we were kind of like came a day early, didn't really have any plans. The only plan we do have is to go to Times Square and see our cats on the billboard. Last night we had dinner at this place called Isla Co. So cute. It was like Australian food, so they just had the funniest little menu that was like trying to explain what is Australian food anyway, and they had really good espresso martinis, so really cool vibe. We got in a little late last night and then just went to bed. So we are up and at 'em this morning. I need coffee first and foremost. I'll show you guys what we're wearing. I thrifted this little corset top. It's kind of like grandma's curtains vibes, but just cute. I like it. It's Fashion Nova. And then this like linen maxi skirt is Abercrombie. It's just really comfortable. Probably just end up wearing my Sambas. But what are you wearing, babe? This is mine, but it's thrifted. We share clothes.
It's mine.
Okay, it's mine. Target, tank, Zara, trousers. And then, what shoes are you wearing? Oh, the sun looks like it's trying to come out. Yeah, so that's nice. It's not raining, so that's always a good thing. Here we go.
Break it apart. They start shattering.
Spill the coffee on myself.
The croissant shatters as soon as you bite it.
There's still coffee all over.
Oh.
That's why I was like, ugh. brunch. We grabbed some New York bagels. And we're just in Bryant Park and we're gonna eat our bagels. And it's like actually perfect weather today. It's like a little cooler. Sun's not super out, so it's not like hot. Light breeze, it's not rainy. I would love if it cooled off just a little bit. But it's so nice. We just in the random park in the middle of the city. Bryant Park. Sitting with the mascots in New York City. Pigeons. Like so they're the mascots. I don't like when they fly over my head. Because I feel like they're just a little too comfortable and they may just either dive on me or poop on me, and I don't want either one, obviously. They just seem like really bold, you know? Is it good? We're so hungry we forgot napkins, but you know. What kind did you get?
Sweet and spicy.
It is sweet and spicy?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Oh. I got the Chipotle.
You with my finger.
So good. We just ate our bagels in Bryant Park. It was so cute and very nice and just peaceful and such a vibe. The library, super cool. Couldn't bring your coffee in there, so, and I need my coffee. I'm pretty tired today, so, you know. And then, yeah, we're gonna go shopping, see what we can find the birthday boy. Okay, we are getting ready to leave to go to the Lion King. I'm so excited. I've never been. And it's gonna be so much fun. So I'm just wearing my Skims long sleeve, like soft lounge dress. It's so comfortable. It's one of my favorite things. You guys know most of my Skims dress, at least one of them comes on every trip with me. Just comfortable, it's cute, it's flattering. And then the black blazer, Zara blazer, just a good, perfect length. And it's still kind of like warm out, so my heavier jackets is just not gonna be like the most ideal. And then I think I'm actually gonna wear my loafers. They're comfortable and then they're cute and black, so. Hair is looking like a lion's mane, so that is pretty accurate. But we are gonna go get drinks, dinner, and the show. So super exciting. We walked past a bar called Skylark on our way back to the hotel from Times Square earlier to see our ad or billboard during the day, and it's so cute. So I think we're gonna try to get in there. There's also a rooftop bar across from us over here, but we may just wait on that one. So Skylark it is. We're gonna attempt it. Yesterday we just walked into Monarch, so I feel like maybe there's a chance we could also do that tonight. So we're headed there now. It's our last night in New York. I'm so sad. I kind of want to stay another night, but we'll see. Last day in New York. I don't know if you even count last day really, because we leave in a couple hours.
Well,
but
if you combine
it counts.
the first day with this,
day, right.
it's almost
That's one full day. Today is the morning, and that first day was only the evening. So yeah. 3 full days. We're at brunch now. We're actually gonna go somewhere we've been before because we know it's good. It's called the Herald, and it's right in Midtown by the hotel we stayed at last time called the Martinique. So we're headed now, and as you can tell, I'm so tired. My eyes are all puffy, dehydrated as heck. I was just about to say it's a lot quieter here than I remember, but now they're honking all of a sudden on our last day. So.